Answer. Do you know me? Oh, my child, mark this day, Dr. Kendrick. We are blessed.
But it's not quite over yet, sir. We need to do something. Technically, this is a new form of life, and that contravenes the bio convention. They need to ratify this.
And they will refuse me.
He used to bark at it.
And if I don't,
He doesn't bark at it, he just tries to
Sorry, sir.
eat
It's
it.
my duty. I shall have to inform them.
and how will you do that from beyond the grave?
I don't quite understand.
Kill him. Captain. Yes, sir.
Oh! No, no, no! No, not the sonic screwdriver! I wonder if it's because it's like the one thing he can never have because we never let him have it.
The noise has probably something to do with it too.
That weird munchkin lady with the big eyes? She wondered where she looked at you. And then she opened up the fire come down. Yeah, well, then she's standing there. Yeah. But where was that then? What happened? I was on this planet thing.
Don't let him have it. So dangerous.
I'm not going to. I'm not going to. I'm going to be like, here, have it. It's my sonic screwdriver. I'm probably let him have it.
Half an hour ago.
His mouth has muscle. You can grab it.
You can let go now.
Well, how long
You just forgot me. No. I was calibrating. I know exactly what I'm doing.
Oh. Get it, Freddie, get it! Okay, he's like in your crotch. Ah!
He's going so crazy.
We can get help. Yeah? Hey. Well, we've landed. We've got to be somewhere.
We fell out of
Do
the
you have a
vortex.
decent video?
The boy